What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna install the new steering wheel. All right, guys, here it is. This is it, the Momo steering wheel. All right, so it's gonna go on here like this. Okay, and these other parts you saw before when I opened them on the last episode that we did mail. And this is the, right here's the quick release. All right, NRG quick release. And then we have the hub. This is the Momo hub. This is what we're going to install the wheel onto. Oh, and I was going to show you this, guys. My spare key disintegrated. The thing just fell right apart. Yeah, I'm not really sure what happened, but let's get the steering wheel on because we don't have a lot of time. I have to go to a hair appointment so I can finally get my hair cut. Okay, so we're gonna put the steering wheel on. I'm gonna set up the tripod and we'll get it done real quick. All right, let's go. All right, so first I'm gonna move the car so we can have more room on the other side to work on this. First thing, we gotta go unplug the battery. All right, so we got the battery disconnected. Let's make sure everything's off. Yep, we have no power. All right, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is remove the 10mm bolts behind the airbag, and then we can pull the airbag off. Probably shouldn't be right in front of the airbag in case it goes off for some odd reason, even though there's no power going to it. Okay, so you can see right here, we have this string. You can just pull this off of the loop right here, this metal piece. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but there's this loop here. Right there, you can pull the string off. All right, and then this is where you unplug the airbag, right here. There you go. Okay, for this, I believe we need a 22mm socket, so I'm gonna have to run over to the hardware store and get one. Oh.
Yep, there.
That's all I need. Have a good day.
You too. Good luck.
And that's the advantage of living right across the road from the hardware store. So now we have our socket and we put it on. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure your wheel is as straight as possible. And let me turn the key so it doesn't lock. There we go. That's pretty straight. So this is why I didn't get an alignment before. I'm gonna put this steering wheel on and then we'll do an alignment. Actually, we might need to lock it so we can get this off of here. And then once we get it loose, we can get it straight on there. Ah, easy money. Okay, so now it's pretty loose. Let's straighten the wheel out. Then we want to pull the wheel off. So let's just maybe we could kick it. There. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. No big deal. They go through hooking up. So I'm not going to go through hooking up the horn today because I literally do not have enough time. But to hook up the horn, you would have to take out this clock spring. You'd have to cut some wires. There's some more down here. And then you would have to wire up the horn. But today, we're just going to put the wheel on there and then we'll hook up the horn another time. So I thought I might not have to take this apart, but I guess I do. So let's take this apart. Hey guys, I'm glad you're still watching. I did get the steering wheel on, but I had to stop filming so I can go get my hair cut. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And let's check out this steering wheel. All right, so it's the Momo. I got the Momo steering wheel with the NRG quick release. It's not really that quick of a release though, so I might have to get another one. I don't really like this one that much, but let's see if we can show you how it works. Yeah, and then the wheel comes off. So it doesn't work as good as I thought it would, so we're just going to probably get another one or just leave this one. All right, but it's actually kind of chilly, so I'm going to put the top up. All right, so we got the steering wheel on. I think it looks amazing. I might keep the NRG quick release, and I might get another one. I don't know. I don't really think I'm going to be taking it off, but I just got it in case I wanted to. And here, I also got this window crank. Okay, it matches the OEM. It's an original crank. But this one down here you can see is broken. So I have to put this one on. I'm not going to do that right now. I don't have time today to do that. But I do have something to show you. This. So this is the new Insta 360 Go 2. The Insta 360 Go 2. 360 degree camera. This one I think it's actually like 180 degree. But anyway, they have 360 degree cameras. So check that out. All right, so I got this camera because, let me open it up. You can clip this onto your hat. Okay, and I'll show you. And then I can film with this when I'm driving so I don't have to hold the camera. It'll be much safer, and I can give you a first person view of whatever's going on. So here is the cool little case for it. It's like a charging case, but it also has a screen. So if you open it up, it's magnetic right here. Okay, so this camera goes in here like this. All right, and then it's gonna also connect to your phone, but you just press to connect. It's connecting to the camera. just vibrated. Let's see, here we go. So we can do video. Right now it's set to video. And then this, you would press to start recording. So that's for this, okay? But you can also, let me take this out. This is the case right here to clip onto your hat or whatever you want to clip it onto, okay? So I'm going to try to use this. I'm going to try to use this today, and we'll go get some shots of driving with the new steering wheel, okay? I'll clip this on my hat and see how it works. All right, so let's go get some shots. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have the camera mounted right here, and it's not blocking my field of view. It's way better than the GoPro for this type of use, because I had the GoPro on my hat before, and it's really heavy. This is light. Like, I can barely even tell that it's there, and it's not in my field of vision. So we're gonna try to get some shots driving with this camera, and let me know what you guys think. All right, I really like this camera. I think it's gonna work out great for the channel. So let's get started. Let's go for a drive. I just saw another Miata, and I turned around so I can follow him. I'm not sure where he's going, but I'm going to see if I can catch up. Well, I think he's turning right here. I'm following him, but he's not pulling over. I'm waiting for him to pull over. Maybe he'll stop here. Here he goes. He's still going. goodness. Is he gonna stop? Which way is he going? Right? But he's going right. No, he's going left. He's going left or right? Oh my goodness. What's up, buddy? I'm just following you to see who you are.
Yeah.
I saw you the other day, a while ago, when I was going to Norwich.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you part of a car club around here?
No.
No? You want to get together and just cruise sometime?
Yeah, I generally do on the weekends, but yeah, I work in Norwich, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me get your number. And we can, like, just go down the back roads or whatever.
You from the area?
Yeah, I live in Oxford.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, all right, I seen you, and I was like, does he know me or something? Like,
No, you're like the only other Miata I've seen, except for I saw a black one up in New Berlin.
all right, yeah.
I don't know whose that is, but I'm in a car club. Do you know the one that does the car show in Norwich?
Yeah.
You know, the big classic car show? Yeah, I'm in that car club, and we're having a car meet on Memorial Day weekend in Norwich. It's gonna be between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. And like any car is welcome.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna bring.
This thing, it looks like a piece of shit on the outside. It was a lot different when I got it. I haven't worked on it.
Oh yeah.
I drive. It's a driver. It's not a show car, you know.
Well, if you want to bring it and just hang out, it'll be fun. I'm gonna bring this. Here, let me get your number and I'll text you later. I was actually on my way to go to the Y.
I know. I was like, I don't think he's going the way. I'm like, I feel bad because I'm not stopping him at the same time. I'm like, maybe he forgot something. I don't know. Like, but then as soon as I got off this road, I was like, all right, no fucking way. Like,
I know, that was a good road, the one before, and this
that's
one.
why I take it every. In this, after we turned onto like Rounds Road off of the main road, I
Yeah.
usually hammer there because
I was trying to film it and drive at the same time, so that's why I was way behind.
Yeah.
But let's see here. I'll just send you a message and then you'll have my number. What's your number?
607. Yeah, no, I was just like, all right, I gotta stop. I feel bad for this guy. He's fucking probably going way out of his way. He probably wants. I thought you flashed me once.
Yeah, I did. And then you turned onto 17.
And then I was like, oh, maybe he's just saying like later. And I was like, you turned. I was gonna stop, and then I'm like, fuck.
All right, I sent it, but there's no signal here, so.
Not a lot of service here.
Yeah, what's your name?
James.
James. I'm Colby.
Nice to meet you, Colby.
All right, man. I'm gonna go back that way,
Okay.
but I'll text you, and if maybe we can just hang out in Norwich sometime and just like start our own little car club.
Yeah, no problem. I bought this for autocross.
Yeah.